Life story of Muttiah Muralitharan. Nestled amidst the lush landscapes of Kandy, Sri Lanka, on the 17th of April 1972, Muttiah Muralitharan began a journey that would etch his name into the annals of cricketing history. Born into a humble family, his childhood echoed with the sounds of leather on willow, as the young Murali displayed an innate flair for spin bowling. The backdrop of his life unfolded against the vibrant tapestry of Kandy's rich cultural heritage. In the early 1990s, Muralitharan stepped onto the international cricketing stage, a lanky spinner with an action as unique as the island nation he represented. His unorthodox, mesmerizing bowling action, characterized by a seemingly bent arm, soon became the subject of fascination and debate. As Murali's cricketing prowess blossomed, so did the controversies surrounding his bowling action. Accusations of a suspect technique loomed, but undeterred, he persisted. In 1995, on a cricket field against England, he etched his name in history, claiming all 10 wickets in a test innings, a feat that resonated across the cricketing world and solidified his status as a prodigious talent. The ensuing years saw Muralitharan navigate through challenges that would have deterred a less resilient spirit. Accusations of an unconventional dusra delivery only intensified the debates surrounding the legality of his bowling. Yet, Murali's skill and artistry on the field spoke louder than words. The zenith of his career arrived in 1996 when Muralitharan played a pivotal role in Sri Lanka's triumph in the Cricket World Cup, an achievement that echoed through the hills and valleys of his homeland. Despite the controversies that surrounded him, he continued to be a match winner, consistently delivering stellar performances in both Test and one-day international formats. Off the field, Muralitharan's philanthropic endeavors mirrored the generosity of his character. His contributions to charitable causes endeared him not only as a cricketing maestro, but also as a compassionate human being. The curtains descended on Muttiah Muralitharan's international cricketing career in 2011. The highest wicket-taker in both Test and one-day internationals, he left a legacy that transcends the boundaries of cricketing nations. His story is not merely one of records and milestones, but a narrative woven with the threads of talent, hard work, and unwavering determination, a beacon of inspiration for aspiring cricketers and fans alike. Today, Murali stands as a revered figure, his life story a testament to the indomitable spirit that propels one toward greatness in the world of sports.